Spanama ceist le heaspa, seirbhísí, faoisimh Antalya nGaillimh, agus following na gúramórí dá war. Again, I'm delighted that Minister Rabbit is here. Perhaps delighted is not the right word, but I'm once again obliged to raise the absence of services in Galway in relation to respite. Now, I hope I don't get an answer in terms of the hundreds of thousands of hours being provided. I acknowledge that. But what's happening here in Galway might be different from the rest of the country, I don't know. Repeated messages from people on the ground. Like many carers in the West, I am exhausted, having struggled for 18 months and day and night without a break. People aren't complaining. What they're simply asking for is the right to respite services, which have been done away with and COVID used as an excuse. So if the Minister could address that issue and take a hands-on approach, although I realise you've been rebuffed on many occasions when you've taken a hands-on approach.
Thank you, Corla, and thank you, Deputy, for raising the question. In relation to disability services, there is no doubt that there was a vacuum there, and we are reinstating it in adult and in children respites. To do with older persons respite, I think, is really where the question is laid at. I don't have an answer for you on that particular issue. I will ask Minister Butler to bring an answer to you the next day in relation to that, but I know your question is specifically to do with older persons respite. I did speak to Minister Butler last night in relation to home care support in Galway and how many we had on a waiting list in relation to home care support. She tells me it's 51 is our number of people awaiting home care support, but I will address the respite with Minister Butler later on. Thank you.